Who's your daddy? The VACDADDY. I am Matthew. I'm 58. I'm from Long Island, New York. I was bred to go to Wall Street, and I didn't want to do that job. I didn't want to work for someone else. I just said, I'm gonna start my own business and make my own money. So I bought a van for $1,000, and I started my own company in 1990, and that's where I had the idea for VACDADDY. In 2019, we raised $500,000 from friends and business acquaintances.
Another successful VACDADDY.
The rest of the money, about $1.5 million, I self-funded. I had real estate properties that I had to sell and borrow money on credit lines because I got to get this thing to work, get it off the ground. But being a dad for my 3 kids is the most important thing in my life. The reason I'm doing this is I have a 10-year-old and a 13-year-old girl that I got to get to college. Everything I'm doing with VACDADDY is to provide a good education and a good example of what a great man is and what good people are, so that passes down for the kids to take to the next generations. So that's the best, and that's why I do what I do.
Let's bring out our next entrepreneur. Please welcome Matthew. Oh, man. Let me tell you something, Matthew, man. Look, you ain't gonna come on my show and out-swag me, man, like this. Come on now, don't try to upstage me, man.
I apologize, man.
It's all good.
Yeah.
It's all good, man. Welcome to Buy It Now.
Thank you very much.
You need 10 green lights to make it in front of our panel, where you can make it to the Buy It Now store and possibly win $20,000. You get 90 seconds. I'll let you know when to start, okay?
You got it.
I'm gonna go over here, my little spot over here.
My little spot over here.
The 90 seconds start right now.
Well, hello there, 100. My name is Matthew DeGuano, AKA the VACDADDY. I've been in the swimming pool business for 40 years. I vacuumed well over 20,000 swimming pools, and I carried 70 to 80 pounds of equipment 4 times to the backyard each time I vacuumed a pool. Way back in the 80s, I said to myself, there had to be a better way. And the aha moment literally came up out of the water. So finally, after 20 years of effort, the VACDADDY was born. The VACDADDY is the easiest, most powerful portable pool vacuum system on the planet. There's no more cumbersome, heavy equipment. It's easy for a homeowner or a pool guy to use. The VACDADDY is right here. You simply put it on your pole, your vacuum head, plug it into our power inverter, put it in the pool, and you push it back and forth, similar to when you vacuum your carpet in your home. We've been selling VACDADDY for over 3 years. We've done somewhere around $2.2 to $2.3 million in sales. Your child could do it. Your grandmother could do it in a wedding dress. I don't know why your grandmother's in a wedding dress, but she could do it. Who's your daddy? The VACDADDY.
Look it, we are back with another Buy It Now reaction video. I am your host, Dave, a 10-year intellectual property attorney dealing with everything from trademarks, copyrights, trade secrets, and patents. And in case you guys missed it from JB Smooth, shout out to JB. Part of this show, which is different from Shark Tank, which I'm used to doing these reaction videos, is in front of a live audience. And shout out to Matthew for that, because you're trying to give a pitch while people is pretty much kind of giving you the thumbs down, which can be somewhat, what's the word I'm looking for? Distracting. And it seems like in this case, I thought, hey, it was easy to get 10 greens out of 100 people to go on to the next phase, which is the 3 panelists. But it seems like in this case, he struggled. And according to that graphic, I don't think he got the 10 greens. So it'll be interesting to see whether or not he did get the 10 greens. But shout out to Matthew. It seems like he has essentially a vacuum for a pool. 20,000 pools, what do you say, vacuum out over his time, been doing it for 40 years, he said. Raised $500,000, sold the house and a lot of, I mean, not house, but the real estate, which I'm not sure if I'm selling about real estate, but it seems like there's other ways to get the money, at least kind of from my standpoint. But again, he had to do what he had to do. Now, the 3 things plus the bonus that I look for in these is how simple is it? You guys have to let me know. Clearly, I don't have a pool, but you know, you hear the term pool boy. I'm assuming that it's companies that, such as VACDADDY, that go, or you know, Matthews, to go, you know, vacuum out a swimming pool. I'm not sure if I want to vacuum out my own swimming pool, but hey, some people want to save money and kind of do it themselves. So again, this may be you know, for them, and from a simplicity standpoint, is it simple enough? Again, he didn't demonstrate it. He said he did it a number of times. So I guess the simplicity of the product is still up in the air. How effective is it? He didn't talk about the sales. I think he's going to talk about it a little bit. Typically, when he gives the initial 90-second pitch, they give him a chance to kind of talk about the price and a little bit of other things to see if he can kind of convince some people to go from red to green. So it'll be interesting as he get that kind of second chance, if you will, whether or not he gets a little bit more green to be able to go to the next round. And again, the effectiveness of the product as it relates to the sales as well as the reviews can go towards that effectiveness. What's the market like? Like I said, I'm not sure of the pool market and whether or not it's a lot of this is kind of needed in the market. Obviously, people have pools. Do you want to do it yourself, or do you want to have a pool company come out and clean it from time to time? Again, you guys let me know in the comment section, at least for the people who have pools. And then a fourth one, is he protecting intellectual property? Now, I like the term VACDADDY, if I'm being honest with you, and he does have a trademark on that. So shouts out to him for protecting intellectual property. Now, from a pan perspective, it seems like this type of, clearly you can get pans on vacuums. This is different because this is a pool vacuum, not a vacuum for like hardwood floors or your carpet or whatever the case may be. So he could potentially have a pan on it to the extent that it's new and non-obvious compared to what's out there. Now, whether or not he has it, let's see if that comes up. But this is something that he can get a pan on. So again, shouts out to Matthew. Those are a little bit some of my thoughts as I kind of look at the 90 seconds that he kind of pitched to the audience. Please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, as well as hit that subscribe button where we talk everything intellectual property. So we do these reaction videos, whether it's Buy It Now, whether it's Shark Tank. We do live interviews. It was a good interview that came out this past Wednesday where I interviewed people and then kind of put it out. A lot of people have been on Shark Tank. They started a business, created a product, and now they're selling it. So again, we do have those. Tomorrow I'll be doing a live, kind of live in real time, break down a lawsuit. People can chat or comment in the chat or kind of go back and forth with me in the chat, ask questions. So we do that. And then we do current events. So we have a little bit of everything going on this channel. So definitely hit that subscribe button to be a part of what we're doing with some on the IP front. Look, I got some stuff coming out too. I'm really excited about it. I'm not going to talk about it right now just because it's a little bit early, but I do have a couple of things coming out, products and otherwise. So kind of be on the lookout for that as that come out. Let me get back to it, and let's see if he can get 10 greens to go to the panel. This is going to be a tough one. He had 8, so we need 2 more.
Come up here, man.
He needs 2
You got a
more.
lot of red up there.
A lot of red.
A lot of red. Woo, there's a lot of red up there. I'm worried about you a little bit. You need 10. You got 8 right now.
I got 8.
Woo. So we got to dive in, man. Questions right there, my man.
Question for you. I got a pool. I got 2 big old dogs. I got 2 bratty cats. In the past, my pools and pool cleaners have been damaged due to all that hair. Can I get a guarantee from you that I won't have to buy a whole bunch of machinery with this VACDADDY? Nothing will get damaged with animal hair, things like that. I'll be good.
Yes, sir. I wouldn't worry about the bags. You can rinse them out with a hose, no problem.
So you got 8. Now you got to go up, get over 10. If you don't get over 10 or above,
SOL.
sorry, you're out. We've never been this low. This is breaking new ground for the 100, but you are not out yet, Matt, okay? We're going to find out what happens after the price. When you give me that price, that number could go up and it could go down. So, Matthew,
149.
man, extraordinaire, got all the gadgets and stuff. Come on, man.
149. I think Matthew may be in
how I'd
trouble.
answer that is price is relative.
Uh-oh.
If you're comparing my VACDADDY to other vacuum systems out in the market, the robotics run between $1,000 and $2,000. VACDADDY is less than that. The price is $1,295.
Holy shit.
Okay, see, now you hear that? That's what I mean.
Wow.
I don't think he's going to make it to the panel.
You need 10. Uh-oh, going down a little bit. 1 red. Lock it in. I'm sorry, Matt. You didn't get into the Buy It Now store. You're not going to get a chance to meet the panel. I was worried about that because you had so many red, man. You had no swimming room. You had nowhere to go. Look, I wish you would have went up, but you didn't go up. You went 1 lower.
Yes.
But you know what, Matt? Your journey continues, man. Look, this is a big platform. It's a big, big platform. And the people who love you, We appreciate you, man. You're a big personality. I like your style, brother.
Got it.
But Matt, you've been great, man. Hey, we'll see you on the Happy Betrayals, man.
Hey, man, I never thought that I would see the day where someone doesn't get at least 10 likes from the audience members. But again, hey, that's why we kind of do the stuff as opposed to just assuming. Let's kind of check out his website here really quickly. Then I'll get you guys up out of here. Let me know what you guys think about it, man. Would you buy VACDADDY? I love the name, to be honest with you. I love the name. It seems like audience maybe couldn't get down with it. So I love, again, going to the website. You see the VACDADDY to the left here. You can see it's very small, but they do have a trademark, an R in a circle, to let people know that it is a registered trademark. You see that as well here. I'm not sure if you can. You see it here, the R in a circle for VACDADDY. So shouts out to Matthew for letting people know that he is protecting the name of it. And I'm trying to see whether or not he has a patent on this thing. This is something that will be patent eligible. I'm not seeing anything on there. That's not to say it isn't. Typically, you'll see this stuff at the bottom. Placement parts, bundles, products, videos, manual support. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Our story. Let's go to our story to see if he has. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on there. Like I said, man, that $12.95, I think I wasn't expecting that. I was thinking maybe a couple $100 at the most, but $1,200, almost $1,300. Seemed like that was maybe too much for the audience. But I'm gonna reach out to Matthew, see if I can get him on the program, talk about not only his product, but his journey as well. Again, he's been doing this for 40 years. So I would imagine that he has some good stuff, information to say about running a business, developing a product, and protecting this intellectual property. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Again, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Please hit that subscribe button to be a part of the IP community. And I will catch you guys on the next one. You guys take care. Peace.